Like, to what extent have we have the duty of care?
Young Australia 21 has embarked on this project of Smarter About Drugs to basically drive young people's input into this conversation.
I think part of the society as a whole though would be media as well.
It started in 2014 with a workshop in South Australia where we had a large group of young people engage with experts in drug policy and talk about the issues that really matter to them. That was so successful that Young Australia 21 decided to facilitate those conversations and empower young people to be part of the conversation at the national level and in their communities.
I think if ever a school is doing anything with regard to drugs and alcohol, they need to set the context of the private life and the private choices of the students, so they understand that the choices which they make depend on the level of information which they've got, but also their ability to understand the consequences of the behaviours. If you then study the policy, that's very powerful.
Drugs are hard to talk about between friends, without glorifying them, I guess. We don't talk about what impact drug policy and drug users being punished has on their lives. And I feel like if we were more informed about how it negatively affects their lives, we would have more drive to do something about it, to strive for change.
Just discussing it with family and everything, it really opens your eyes and opens other people's eyes as well. Even at lunchtimes talking with friends, it really gets the conversation going about what issues there are and what needs to be dealt with.
There's one thing to educate them about the risks of drugs, but the other thing to give them an empowerment that they can actually do something themselves to try to shape policy.